Hey cool kids, welcome back to the Cool Kids Campus.
Hello, cool kids! We're going on an airplane trip. We hope that you will come along too. We arrive at the airport and make our way to the baggage check area. We give our big suitcases to an airport attendant who puts a sticker on them. They'll be delivered to the plane for us. We make our way through the security check. We scan our bags and shoes, and we walk through a scanner too. We head up an escalator and make our way to our boarding gate. Here it is. We find a fun place where kids can play while we wait for our plane. We check to make sure our plane is on time. We look out the window and see our plane arrive. We watch as the boarding bridge swings over to connect with our plane. There are many people working at an airport. They help to get the planes ready to fly. Let's watch. We see the propeller spin. Here come the luggage cars. These cars bring passengers' suitcases to and from the airplanes. These workers are taking passengers' suitcases off the airplane and bringing them into the airport. These workers are loading our suitcases onto the plane. Let's watch. The plane needs fuel, just like a car. Time to board. We line up at the boarding gate. We scan our tickets and walk down the boarding bridge. We say hello to the pilot and the co-pilot. We find our seats and watch a short safety video. The flight attendants prepare for takeoff. Our plane backs out onto the runway. We watch from the window. Our plane drives very fast down the runway, and then it rises up, up, up into the sky. We look down and see the houses, roads, and waterways below. They look very small from up here. We ascend higher and higher into the clouds. Aren't the clouds beautiful? Some are puffy and round. Others are flat and thin. We look down when there's a break in the clouds and see the land and water below. This map tells us where we are. It's time time to descend. We'll be landing soon. Look! There's New York City. The plane descends lower and lower. We see houses, waterways, trees, roads, and cars. We get closer and closer to the land. We touch down, going very fast on the runway. We slow to a stop in front of our gate. We walk across the boarding bridge to exit the plane. We come out in a new airport and find a fun place where kids can play while we wait for our next airplane. Our next plane will fly at night. Now it's time to board. We find our seats and look out the window. There are lots of lights on the runway at night. We take off and ascend, up, 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 into the sky. We see the lights of houses, cars, and the city below. We see heat lightning in the clouds. Now it's time to land. We see the lights from the airport below. We descend down, down, down to the runway. We touch down, going very fast. And slow to a stop at our gate. cross the bridge and come out in a new airport. We pass boarding gate waiting areas. This airport is dark and quiet at night. We make our way to the luggage carousel to pick up our suitcases. Some airports have a train called a tram that will take you from one place in an airport to another. This tram will take us to our luggage carousel. Let's get on. We hang on to the pole. It's a fast ride. Here's the luggage carousel. The workers will take our suitcases from the airplane and load them onto a conveyor belt. Here they come, out onto the luggage carousel. We look for ours and scoop it up. Now it's time to leave the airport. We head out and take a car to our final destination. Thanks for joining us on our airplane trip. We hope you'll join us again soon for another fun Cool Kids field trip. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Kids Campus for more stories, learning, and fun.